Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience with the platform. Outsource.com is a valuable resource for businesses seeking to connect with skilled freelancers and independent professionals across a diverse range of industries. From IT and software development to creative services like writing and design, Outsource.com provides a platform for finding qualified individuals and teams to tackle specific projects or ongoing needs. The site facilitates connections between companies looking to delegate tasks and skilled professionals seeking new opportunities. Their extensive network offers access to a global talent pool, enabling businesses to potentially reduce costs while expanding their capabilities. Users can browse freelancer profiles, assess their skills and experience, and directly communicate with potential candidates through the platform. Outsource.com also offers tools for project management and secure payment processing, streamlining the collaboration process. Businesses can define project scopes, set milestones, and track progress, all within a secure environment. Whether you're a small startup looking for specialized skills or a large enterprise needing to scale your workforce, Outsource.com presents a convenient and efficient solution for finding and managing remote talent. They offer a variety of membership options tailored to different business needs and budgets, allowing you to choose the plan that best suits your requirements. With its comprehensive features and global reach, Outsource.com offers a powerful platform for connecting with qualified professionals and achieving your business objectives. The platform boasts a robust search function, enabling businesses to quickly identify freelancers with specific skills, experience levels, and industry backgrounds. Furthermore, Outsource.com emphasizes security and data privacy, ensuring a safe and reliable environment for both businesses and freelancers to connect and collaborate. By leveraging the platform's tools and resources, businesses can efficiently manage their remote workforce, track project progress, and ensure timely delivery of high-quality work. Therefore, whether you're looking for short-term assistance or long-term partnerships, exploring Outsource.com can be a beneficial step in optimizing your workforce strategy. Be sure to check out the variety of resources and support materials available on the platform to maximize your experience.